Today we are going to learn about 4 operations on decimal numbers. The first operation is addition. If I have to add 3.2 and 1.6, I will first write them in vertical order. Decimal below the decimal. I will add the number after the decimal to the number after the decimal and the number before the decimal into the number before the decimal. The second example is 4.23 plus 1.6. So when we shall write them vertically, we shall write the decimal below the decimal and we shall have 1.6 as 1.60. We shall add 3 in 0, 6 in 2 and 4 in 5. The answer is 5.83. Now if we have to add 5 in 0.24, what we will do, we will write 5 as 5.00 and 0.24 as, and the answer will be 5.24. The second operation is subtraction. So if we have to subtract 1.3 from 3.5, we shall write them in vertical order. We will subtract 3 from 5 and 1 from 3. The answer will be 2.2. The other example for subtraction is 9.1 minus 4.23. So when you have to subtract, you will write 9.1 as 9.10 and 4.23 below it. Now when you will subtract, you will borrow 1 from here, make it 10, it will be 0. 10 minus 3 is 7. Now borrow 1 from here, it will be 8, it is 10. 10 minus 2 is 8 and 8 minus 4 is 4. We have taken this 0 of our own because we have to subtract a number which has 2 decimal places from a number which has 1 decimal place. So we shall make it a 2 decimal place number and then we shall subtract. Now if we have to subtract 1.75 from 3, we shall write 3 as 3.00 and 1.75 below. We shall take 1 from here, it will be 2, it will be 10. It will become 9 and it will be 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2 and 2 minus 1 is 1. The answer will be 1.25. The third operation is multiplication. If we have to multiply 137.8 with 0.35, what we will do, we will write both number without decimal and do the usual multiplication. 5 8s are 40, 4 left. 5 7s are 35 and 4 39, 3 left. 5 3s are 15 and 3 18, 1 left. 5 1s are 5 and 1 6. This is 0. 3 8s are 24, 2 left. 3 7s are 21 and 2 23, 2 left. 3 3s are 9 and 2 11, 1 left. 3 1s are 3 and 1 4. The answer is 0, 9 and 4 13. When we will add 8 and 1 9, 10 11 12, 6 and 1 7 and 1 8, 4. So it's not basically 48,230. When we shall convert it into decimals, we shall count the decimals from here. Our final answer will be 1, 2 and 3 decimals from the left side. So basically the number 48230 will give us the answer as 1, 2, 3, 48.230 or 48.23, one and the same thing. The second example about multiplication is 13.56 multiply 2.4. I shall take the numbers without decimal, do the usual multiplication. 4 6 are 24, 4 here, 2 there. 4 5s are 20 and 2 22, 2 here, 2 there, 4 3s are 12 and 2 14, 4 here, 1 there, 4 1s are 4 and 1 5. Multiply 6 2s are 12, 2 here, 1 there, 5 2s are 10 and 1 11, 3 2s are 6 and 1 7, 2 1s are 2. The answer is 4 4. When we add 4 and 1 5, 5 and 7 12, 2 and 1 3. The final answer will be 32,544. 1 decimal from here, 2 decimal from there, total 3 decimals. Our final answer will be 32.544. The last operation is division. If I have to divide 0.92 with 0.4, I will write them in fraction. As there are 2 decimal place here, there is only 1 decimal place here. So I shall multiply both with 100 and I shall be having 92 over 40. I can do the cancellation with 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 0, and I can give the answer easily 2.3. The other method, I shall divide 92 with 4. 4 2s are 8, 1 left, 12 here, 4 3s are 12. I shall write 2.3. Now here there are 2 decimal place in the numerator and 1 decimal place outside divisor. So I shall give the answer as 2 minus 1 and it will be 2.3. That is, I shall, instead of adding, subtracting the decimals from the numerator's number to the denominator's number, and I shall write the final answer after subtracting 2 minus 1. This is 1 decimal, so 23 will become 2.3. Now if I have to divide 1.845 with 0.15, what I shall do? I will write 1845 outside 15. 15 1s are 15, 16 17 18, 15 2s are 30, 15 3s are 45. My answer is 123. I have 3 decimals here, 3 decimal place number minus 2 decimal place number. So my final answer will be 1 decimal place number, that is 12.3.